Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lina and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this complex polymer clay cane using the kaleidoscope technique. Here's the colors of the polymer clay that I'm going to be using to create this cane. And what I'm doing first is creating a little bit of the blend in between white, pink, and purple colors. For that, I'm just making them of the same size approximately. And after that, just slicing a straight cut and attaching them together. After that, I start bending this in half, going over with the rolling pin. So I'm not going for the great mix of colors. I just need them to be attached and just have a little bit of this blend going on. After I fold it and flatten it multiple times, I start kind of pushing the colors back to make it a little bit wider. After that, I'm slicing this piece in half and attaching together. And I'm repeating this procedure for a few times just to create those kind of stripes of the color on the inside. And after that, I start shrinking that clay into sort of like a triangle cane. And when I'm happy with the size of it, I'm just putting this on a side. After that, I'm doing just a simple skinner blend using two colors, white and pink. Then I am flattening this on a minimum thickness into like a ribbon and twisting it from the white side. And that is ready. I'm putting this on the side as well. After that, I'm taking three colors, yellow, lighter green, and darker green, flattening them again on a minimum thickness, and kind of forming those stripes and slicing up those stripes into different size pieces. And after that, I've kind of just started layering them up, mixing the colors. So I was going for something like a leaf shape, or half of the leaf. And as you can see now, I'm just pushing the colors together a little bit and slicing this piece in half. After that, I'm adding a small green stripe in the middle. And after that, I'm just shrinking this. Here how it looks, and when it's done, I'm again putting this on the side. Next, I'm doing another blend, mixing pink and yellow. And also add a little bit of white in between. For this one, I'm again forming a thicker ribbon, and after that flattening it and just twisting it. And reducing the size a little bit. So here are 4 of the details I made so far. After that, I'm just kind of forming another little sausage shapes out of the solid colors. I'm just gonna add them all in between my main pieces. First, I added 3 colors to the pink piece. After that, I stretched out that orange and pink gradient, added a little bit of the yellow in the middle, and attached 2 parts together. Why I like the kaleidoscope technique, because it's pretty much doesn't matter where and how you are gonna attach those little parts of clay pieces, because it's gonna be unique anyway. Every cane like you ever do, it's gonna be very unique, and that's what I like about it. Also, I decided to use up the scraps that I have left from the previous canes. So for that, I'm just twisting the piece of like the greens together and attaching it to the cane. I'm doing the same with the rest of these colors that I have, like mostly purple, pink, yellow, and white. So I'm again just twisting them, slicing, not going like and mixing thoroughly the color, but just a little bit. and again forming it and just adding on to the main cane. Also, I decided to add a few of the whites. And after that, I start reducing it into the triangle shape. Here how it looks on the inside. Here's the part that again, it's very limitless. You can create the pattern by attaching like different sides to each other, whatever you feel like. After that, I decided to change the shape into the square just because it's easier for me. So I'm slightly pushing on the sides and pushing it into the square shape. Here how it looks on the inside, and again here's the point that you can attach different parts to each other so they can like mirror each other. And here's how my cane looks like. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we see each other in the next video.